Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope so that you all will be fine. You know that we are on chapter number 3, My Early Home, and we have completed its reading, its vocabulary, and we are now doing its exercise. As you know students that we have completed its part A, that was comprehension, in our previous lecture, and today we are going to do its part B. This is page number 30 and its part B, working with words. Its first word statement is add not to the following sentences. You will have to change some of the verbs. Students, it's a little bit technical that when you are going to change the tense into negative and you have to use not. So it's different rules and regulations for different tenses. When you are going to change present indefinite tense into negative sentences, you use do not and does not according to the subject. But if there is past tense, you will recognize the past tense in this way that the second form of verb is used in that sentences. As you can look here, the second form of eat is used in the first one sentence, that is ate. Now look at the B sentence. Here is also the second form of verb, that is went. It's the second form of verb go. Here is also the second form of verb, that is liked. It's the form of verb like. So when there is second form of verb is used, you come to know that it is past indefinite tense. So when you are going to change the past indefinite tense into negative sentences and you have to use not, you use did not, and you have to use the first form of verb because did is the second form of do or does. So students, let's start doing this exercise. Look at A part. Black Beauty ate grass. So you have to change ate into eat and you will use did not before the verb. Black Beauty did not eat grass. Students, you will write the sentence in this way. Black Beauty did not eat grass. Now look at B part. The master went to market. You will use did not after the subject. The master did not go to market. So you will write the sentence, the master did not go to market. Now look at C part. The colts liked rough play. You are looking that here also the second form of verb is used. So you will add did not and the first form of verb. So the sentence will be in this way. The colts did not like rough play. Now look at D part. The master moved slowly. Students, you know that this is also past indefinite tense. So you will write the sentence in this way. The master did not move slowly. Look at E part. Dick heard a sound in the bushes. So you will use not in this way. Dick did not hear a sound in the bushes. Look at F. Dick spoke kindly to the horses. The same method you will use, that Dick did not speak kindly to the horses. I think so this part is quite clear to you. Now move to the next one part. This is C part, learning about language. Students, here the heading is pronouns. You know that pronoun is a word which stands for a noun. For example, he ate blackberries. He is a pronoun. It stands for the noun Dick. Students, pronoun is a very important part of speech because it just removes the monotony in the language. If we continuously use the same name or noun, definitely our piece of writing becomes bold and dull. When we use pronouns, our speech becomes very good and it sounds good to the listeners. So, look here. The first one statement is pick out all the pronouns in the sentences given below. So, students, all the words that are used in place of nouns are called pronouns, like I, he, she, it, we, you, they, my, our, us, me. All these pronouns are used in place of nouns. So you have to identify the nouns here. The first one statement is I am a horse and my name is Black Beauty. I, who is I? I am a horse. So we use I in place of horse. And what's the name of horse? We have read here. We can change the word horse and write my name is Black Beauty. This is the possessive case of I. B part. This is the farmer. He is called Mr. Jones. What the farmer is called? He is called. So we use he in place of farmer. So this is pronoun. He is pronoun here. C part. He gives us carrots and hay. Who gives us? The master. So we use he in place of master. And what is us? Us are horses in this chapter. So he is pronoun used for master and us is used for horses. D. We have a lot of horses in our field. We stand for Colt and its mother and they have a lot of horses in their field. So this is our is a possessive case. E part. I like watching them gallop. I is also a pronoun here and them is also pronoun. I like watching them gallop. It may be Dick, it may be master. So I stands for any person and them are standing here for horses. So students, all these highlighted words are pronoun and you have to pick them out. Now look at the next one part, using the infinitive to. Here is a sentence from the story, I wish you to pay attention. What does she wish? She wishes for him to pay attention. So the verb which we use after to is called infinitive. So students, there is an exercise on the next one page. Now here students, look at part B. Complete these sentences using to with a verb. So the first one statement is the boys were allowed. What the boys were allowed? The boys were allowed to explore the fort. One thing which is very much important is that whenever we are using a verb after to, we use its first form of verb. So explore is the first form of verb. Now look at B part. Nobody is permitted. What nobody is permitted? Nobody is permitted to enter the house. Students, you can choose or you can write your own verbs also. And you can make different sentences by using to and a verb. Now look at C part. Rahim likes to visit his grandparents. D part. The builders wanted, what the builders wanted? They wanted to finish their work. E part. We have always tried to help the poor. F part. I long. Long is used here as a wish. I wish to play outside. I long to play outside. This is whole the exercise part B and C. And students, I think so this is quite clear to you and you have to learn this exercise quite vigilantly. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.